So I've been personally using the Vivo V30 5G for more than 30 days. And today, share ko sa inyo aking full experience with this phone for more than a month. Kamusta ka ng performance, kamusta ka ng camera, kamusta ka ng gaming, kamusta naman ka ng thermals. Everything, share ko sa inyo in this video. So don't you go away. So card dito phone nito has a prevailing na SRP of 24,999 para sa kanya 12,256 and a 27,999 para sa kanya 12,512. Official link on the description box below. Now ito phone nito, we know it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. I won't be showing you mga benchmark kasi I've already done that in my full review 1 month back. But I would just share you yung aking day-to-day experience with this phone. So, of course, swiping left and right with this phone is definitely smooth. Of course, meron siyang 120Hz of screen refresh rate given in on this phone. It really gives you a very snappy experience dito sa phone na ito. And what I like dito, kahit mag-multitask ka dito sa phone na ito, it's okay. It's really fast. Halos wala ka masyado mafe-feel na lag dito sa phone na ito. Ako personally, I'm a multitasker and doing all of the tasks that I require dito sa phone na ito, doing my socials, doing video editing, playing some games, this phone can definitely hold up. After 2 updates na nakuha ko for the past 30 days, siguro mag-push sila ng mga minor updates, I was able to get a 800,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark, which is for me quite good already for this phone. Now, probably one of your question is, kamusta naman ang init nito phone na ito? Based sa akin thermals dito sa phone na ito, it looks pretty nice and pretty green, and it throttled to 95% ng kanyang maximum performance, which is for me very efficient naman, and halos hindi ko naman masyado mafe-feel umiinit to phone na ito. And despite using this phone to take videos, kahit medyo mahaba yung video, there are times na medyo umiinit siya dahil mainit talagang panahon. But kung nasa aircon room ka naman, I don't feel it heating up naman. One thing na important sa akin is yung portability ng phone. This phone just really gives me that really light na feel ng isang phone. Kasi dahil manipis siya, it's easy to put inside the back of my pocket, it's easy to put inside my sling bag, madali siya i-carry around. Itong phone na ito, I really love it kasi yung kanyang form factor is just right enough for me. Magandang grip ko dito, despite medyo smooth yung likod niya, probably the only downside lang dito sa phone na ito, talagang very smooth siya. For some clumsy people, you might drop it, but I have a good news para sa inyo. Actually, kaka-discover ko lang, tinanong ko si Vivo mismo, meron pa lang siyang 6 months na free screen replacement. Kung nabasa mo ang screen mo, you can get a free replacement for itong phone na ito, which is a very, very good deal na probably hindi nila na-market, no? Now na alam ko na, i-share ko naman dapat sa inyo, di ba? For me, it's a good selling point dito sa phone na ito. And another good news para sa inyo, guys, itong phone na ito has a promo of extended warranty of up to 2 years. Grabe! It's a really good offer for 24,999, no? You get all of those good stuff for warranty, 2 years warranty plus a screen replacement. Basta meron ka ng VIP card ng Vivo, you can ask yung customer service how to get the VIP card. It get all of those perks dito sa phone na ito, which probably you might not find in other brands. That's probably one of the winning factor dito sa phone na ito na talagang magugustuhan mo. You feel safe and panatag ng loob mo dito sa Vivo V30 5G. Kamusta naman ka ng screen performance? I've been doing all of my socials dito, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and all of the other socials na ginagawa ko dito. Very smooth dahil sa kanyang 120Hz screen refresh rate. And of course, if you're watching videos naman dito, since meron naman sa level 1 na wide security level, you're watching mga Disney Plus, you're watching mga Netflix, you can get HD dito. Expect mo ang viewing experience dito is great. I was able to enjoy naman every moment na nanonood ako ng mga videos dito. And kahit mga anak ko nanonood mga cartoons nila dito, okay na okay. Ito ang version na walang Zeiss na collaboration. Si V30 Pro has the Zeiss collaboration. Kamusta naman ka ng camera? Does Zeiss matter? Or okay naman kahit walang Zeiss? Now, here is my take after 1 month. So, after 30 days ko gamit tong phone na ito, gusto ko i-share sa inyo some of the different really nice shots na nakuha ko dito sa phone na ito. And of course, mostly na nakuha ko ay from indoors. And look at some of these shots na nakuha natin mga plants from indoors, and you'd see na maganda ang pagka-reproduce ng mga photos na ito. And despite that this was a V30 5G doesn't have the Zeiss collaboration, it's still good. No? So I wouldn't say na dahil wala siyang Zeiss na collaboration, yung kanyang camera isn't really that good. But imagine when I was able to take in some of this really nice na photos, ang ganda ng pagka-focus sa subject, din sa likod, ang ganda slowly, yung pagka-background blur niya. Makita mo talaga the camera is good. You'd see some of these jars. Ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-reproduce ng photos na ito. Makita mo tong signage niya, pag-picture mo, ang ganda ng focus niya doon sa ilaw ng word na coffee. Na kahit kumuha ka ng mga simple light shots like this one, you'd see, no, ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-focus. Yung focus niya doon sa ilaw, yung likod niya slowly, medyo dumilim ng konti, very dramatic. I love the shots na nakuha ko, no? And taking some of these flower shots sa loob ng shop, I would say na, well, pretty good. Very sharp ang mga photos and very detailed. And of course, how can I forget some food photographies while we're eating samgyup? Ayan, kita natin, no? Yung mga greens are really good. Yung mga meat, ang ganda ng ganang pagka-produce ng mga photos na ito. Very nice. You feel na gusto mo kainin itong mga food na ito dahil sa ganda ng shot, no? There are some cameras, despite it being at the same price point, but yung reproduce ng mga photos is not as good as this one. I would say na itong kanyang camera is definitely good. I probably they put in some effort dito sa V35G. Itong mga low light shot like this one, I would say na sobrang ganda ng photo na ito, no? Especially taking ultra wide shots on a big group photo like this one. So on a normal lens, ganito lang makukuha mo. Medyo bitin, no? So rather than me taking several steps back, I just use the ultra wide lens and look, ganda ng kanyang output. And one of the good things dito sa camera niya is this one performs really good on low light photography. Nasa loob ako ng reserve store ng Starbucks sa SM North and medyo madilim doon, no? It's really cozy, it's really dark, and yeah, was able to reproduce some of these photos and makita nyo yung lightings niya, it's really nice. Very cozy lang talaga siya. Makita mo itong caricature nitong tiger na ito pag zoom in mo, no? Ang daming details yung makita dito, no? Really, really nice shot. And kahit kumuha ka na some sunset shot on this camera, I would say very nice and very dramatic din itong kanyang camera. I was able to take in these two shots, no, despite midnight, madilim, and turning on the night mode camera. I think makita nyo to sa aking TikTok account. Just take a quick snap. Kahit medyo matagal siya, I think it takes 3 seconds to snap a night photography on a total pitch black na environment. Kuhang-kuha pa rin, no? Magaling ka ng AI na. Despite na it being not a natural night shot, but to be able to enhance it like this is really something else. Now, on indoors naman, this is a ultra-wide shot, this is a normal shot, and this is a 2x zoom shot. I would say clear pa rin yung tao despite zooming in up to 2 times. And of course, yung kanyang selfie camera, ang dami ko kinuha selfie dito using this camera. I would say na yung kanyang selfie camera is good. Was able to reproduce several photos na maganda. And this is probably one of them, beside sa Navotas Bay. Taking some shots dito sa loob ng mga apparel store. It looks good. Despite medyo low light, hindi siya naninilim. Taking some more shots. Magandang kanyang front-facing camera. So this is another one. You would be proud to say na, uy, ganda na aking selfie camera. Ang kanyang video, you can take in 4K and 30 both sa front and sa back, which is probably one of the best things that you can do dito sa Vivo V35G. So, sa mga ibang phones, at this price point, normally you get just a 1080p and 30 kind of front-facing camera or just a 2K. But this one, guys, 4K and 30, both sa front and sa back. Now, taking a video using the front-facing camera, after 2 updates, I would say it's still a bit shaky. I would say na maganda ang kanyang resolution sa kanyang front-facing camera. I'm probably proud to say that okay siya, despite this one being low light. Ang ganda ng kanyang resolution dito sa video na ito. And even though na hindi siya ganun ka-stable, yung kanyang front-facing camera, it was still able to reproduce some really nice resolution dito. But probably a gimbal might help. Using the rear camera naman, taking a video using a 2x zoom. So this is as far as it gets. Still clear kanyang video. Pag medyo lumalayo siya, medyo naging grainy na siya. Very stable ang kanyang rear camera, which is probably one good thing din dito sa kanya to take some vlogs, to record some videos. It's really a good choice. Pag naglalakad ka naman using the rear camera, stable siya. You'll see na I'm not using any gimbal, just using my bare hand. And pretty stable ang kanyang rear camera, taking a 4K and 30 video. Now, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo isang game na nilalaro ko dito sa phone na ito. I've been playing COD Warzone dito, and probably one of the hottest game available in the market right now na marami nagtatanong sa akin, no, kamusta naman ang game ng COD Warzone dito sa phone na ito. And was able to set it to high settings dito sa phone na ito. Yes, you're right, high settings. And okay naman ka ng gameplay. There are times na mafe-feel mo, there are slight lags, pero hindi naman siya garapala na talagang lag, no? And sinet ko rin sa 60 FPS, so it was able to hold up. Okay ang gameplay dito. And I would say na after mo maglaro ng 30 minutes, iinit tong phone na ito up to 49 degrees Celsius based sa aking Malsi na thermal scanner. I would highly recommend you to get a phone cooler for this phone para medyo mas mabilis lumamig itong phone na ito. Playing other games, I would say, kayang-kaya. ML, CODM, PUBG, kayang-kaya nitong phone na ito. Walang problema. So after more than 30 days ko gamit na itong phone na ito with 2 updates na nakuha ko dito, kamusta naman kanyang performance? I would say na it became a bit snappier. There are times kasi nung bago mag-update, pag nag-open ka ng mga apps, medyo may slight delay. But this time around, mas mabilis na siya, mas snappier ang kanyang pag-open ng mga apps dito sa phone na ito. And what I like naman dito sa kanya is very easy to use ang FunTouch OS 14. And since itong phone na ito is already running Android 14, unlike others sa Android 13 pa lang, you're really getting good updates dito kay Vivo V35G. Now, the question is, sulit ba ang yung 24,999 dito? I would say, after using it for more than 30 days, okay na okay to. I would recommend it to you kasi, one, maganda ka ng camera, okay ka ng thermals, pwede siya pang gaming, and best of all, meron siyang 6 months of free replacement ng screen and 2 years na extended warranty, which makes this phone really worth it. So if you're interested to buy itong phone na ito, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends, and a subscription to this channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.